Hello, my fellow Young Diamantaires. So as you know, we don't sell on our YD channel. And so this is not a sales pitch. It is an endorsement. So we have the advantage of Rocky here from GemLightbox came to my office to show us the latest diamond videoing.
GemLightbox Macro.
GemLightbox Macro, thanks for that. And because I was so impressed with it, and I know we've had some discussions in the group about it, I thought it was really worthwhile for everyone to get just a really quick snapshot of what it does. So what I'm going to get Rocky to do is to show you how quickly it takes a video and how good that video is, because I actually think it's in everyone's interest. So Rocky, go for it.
Thanks, Rami. Hey everyone, Rocky from Pickup Media. So thank you again, Rami, for having me at your office to show everyone how the GemLightbox Macro works. What we have today is a oval cut bluestone diamond. We're going to place this inside. Now, since COVID, it's been very hard for everyone to actually meet up to do business in real life and show people what their inventory looks like or what their product looks like. With the GemLightbox Macro, you're able to quickly take videos and photos of your loose stones in one click. So first, you need to download the GemLightbox application on your smartphone.
And I'll just sort of add there, I mean, I use a GemLightbox just because every now and again someone needs to see a picture of jewelry. So it is super easy. It's exactly the same logic. You know, you download the app, you connect your Bluetooth to it, you bring up some of the options. These guys, they have a few different colored trays, so you can put you can get different effects. So we have gray, white, and black, okay? And different depths. Very, very easy. You're just resting the stone on it. Okay, so we've adjusted the camera. You don't mind, I'm just jumping in here.
Yeah.
Just from an ease point of view, doesn't matter what camera you have, Android, you can slide that thing up and down the bottom here as well, do an adjustment. And then there's, the stone is in there, you know, obviously what we always do, touch it, focus it. I'm using an iPhone 11.
So once your phone's set up and your diamond's in the center, all you need to do is press to record. And this basically records a 360 video. A full 360 view of your diamond showing all the details, colors, and all the cuts very nicely.
Right, so just a couple of quick things. You have there a couple little switches. Just talk quickly about some of the other buttons on the side.
Yeah, so on the side here, you've got 4 lining options. You've got the sparkle, which brings out additional sparkles and fires in your facets. And then you've got the white light, which is for most of your natural color diamonds and fancy color diamonds. You've got the blue light here, which is for your unique gemstones, so your color changing gemstones and your other colored gemstones. And you've got the yellow light here, which is for your rubies, emeralds, and that just brings out the more vivid colors in your reds and greens.
Great. Okay, that's it. I think it's pretty cool. I thought you should see it from us, and the advantage, you can't travel, but we bring it to you. Bye.
Thanks, guys.